Welcome back MH Car Review everyone. Today we're taking a look at one of the most luxurious and advanced motorhomes ever built, the Volkner Performance S based on a Mercedes-Benz chassis. This isn't your average RV, it's a masterpiece of design and engineering that brings 5-star living to the open road. Let's go through everything in detail: the exterior, interior, performance, and price. Starting with the exterior, the Volkner Performance S looks absolutely stunning. The front end showcases that iconic Mercedes-Benz design with a massive grille, sleek LED headlights, and a smooth, aerodynamic shape that screams elegance. The entire body has been designed for both beauty and function, with flowing lines and a premium paint finish that makes it look like a luxury yacht on wheels. Built on a strong 3-axle Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, it measures around 12 meters in length and rides with incredible stability. One of its most jaw-dropping features is the hidden garage located in the center of the vehicle. This hydraulic platform can hold a small sports car, such as a Porsche 911, letting you bring your dream car along for the journey. Stepping inside feels like entering a private jet or a luxury apartment. The craftsmanship is impeccable. Soft leather seats, high-gloss wooden surfaces, and customizable ambient lighting create an elegant atmosphere. The living space expands at the touch of a button, thanks to slide-out walls that make the interior even more spacious. There's a cozy lounge area with reclining sofas, a dining setup, and a kitchen that rivals what you'd find in a modern home. It includes a full-sized refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and even an espresso machine. The bedroom comes with a comfortable full-size bed, ample storage, and fine detailing everywhere you look. The bathroom is equally luxurious, featuring a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and premium fixtures that make it feel like a high-end spa. Under the hood, the Volkner Performance S is powered by a Mercedes-Benz 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine producing around 460 horsepower. The automatic transmission and air suspension ensure a smooth and quiet ride, even over long distances. It's equipped with advanced safety tech such as lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system for easy handling. Of course, all this luxury comes with a hefty price tag. The Volkner Performance S starts at around $2 million, but with full customization, most models easily surpass $3 million. It's not just a motorhome, it's a statement of ultimate freedom, comfort, and sophistication on wheels. So, if you've ever dreamed of traveling the world without leaving behind the comforts of home, the Volkner Performance S shows what's possible when money is no object and innovation meets indulgence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews of the most incredible vehicles in the world.